pleasant surprise. I just saw, oh, that drift is large. I just saw the city snow plow go on the road. Doesn't do much for my driveway, but my poor buried car has a circle around it, looks like my car. Oh, my trail ends. That's funny. Look at those drifts. Wasn't going to come out again, but oh my gosh. Getting around that is going to be not going that way. Oh, look at that snow. Look at that snow blow. Gonna go this way. I can't even get my leg over that one, so I'm going to have to make it go the long way around. Oh, it's hard walking in snow. Oh, wind tunnel. Sink. Let's see, look at that. Cleared the road. The road looks like there's no snow. Sure. Until you realize how deep I'm standing. But that's good to know. Semi-trail broken. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Oh, my glasses are flocking. Let's see if the kitty came out. Not coming out again. No. There he is.